River of Life Community Church service location coming in on Highway 101. Our Sunday morning worship service is held at Dean Coots Memorial Chapel at Canterbury Park. Directions to the chapel. If you use Google Maps, put the following information in as the location: Dean Coots Memorial Chapel, Shakopee 55379. This will assist you in getting to the chapel location. If you're coming to Canterbury Park via Highway 101, you need to turn south onto Canterbury Road. You will see a water tower ahead of you on the right. Approximately 1 block after passing the water tower, turn right onto Baronshear Boulevard. After turning onto Baronshear Boulevard, looking straight ahead and slightly left, you will see a large white cross and the chapel roof as the background. Go approximately 1 block, then turn left into the stable area. Stop at the guard shack and tell the guard that you want to go to the chapel. As you enter the stable area, turn right, then immediately turn left. After you drive past the building on your right, you will see the chapel on your right. We have coffee fellowship at 9:30 a.m. Our worship service begins at 10 a.m. We look forward to meeting you and having you worship with us.